Hi all, I'm Tony, this is Tapatya. We're building a cruising sailboat. And this week, a lot of concentration on the foredeck area, getting the foredeck finished off. I've done a bit of work up there before, but it's been all about finishing it off. And I'm stood right here, first thing, 2 fair leads in the bulwarks, set in there. Wanted to get them in there, get a few things on before I finish the paintwork. So first job was to set those fair leads in the bulwarks. Look nice, I think. Happy with those. And then there's an area here that was, I'll get all these cables out of the way. This area here is a bit strange. So where these bulwarks come forwards and then they ended at my bowsprit, bow roller fitting, and there was a sort of gap there that I wasn't happy about. So I decided to make up these stainless brackets, bent here, cover up that gap. Put some epoxy filler in behind there so that end of that bulwark is completely sealed and closed off, and I'm pleased with that. Also underneath here, filled under there, so it's all a completely sealed unit now. And these also bolted through the bulwarks, bolted to the stainless bow fitting, makes it all a very solid job, and they've come out well. Pleased with those. Perfect. Then it's all about finishing off the paintwork up here. Masked up around about, got another couple of coats of gloss on, had a bit on before but I've put another 2 or 3 coats of gloss on, and the non-slip panels so you can stand here and work on the foredeck if need be. And that is now sealed up. Needs a little bit of a clean up here, a bit more varnish on the bowsprit, tidy up there, but it's basically done now. We're going to put a metal strip around the top of this anchor chain box so the anchor chain can run over there without damaging the wood. Also we'll seal the end grain of that ply that's sticking up there. Got some hardwood strips to run around the top of the bulwarks here. Probably be getting to those fairly soon. That's where we are this week.
Stride as the day got brighter, oh, 'cause she was kissed by the sun.
Okay, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Give yourself a thumbs up, and even better, click that subscribe button, the little bell next to it. Probably help these videos get out to a wider audience. I should be cracking on, maybe get to these caps on the bulwarks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.